We serve first generation, low income, and students with undocumented status. And a lot of our philosophy is dedicated to making sure that our students are able to achieve any version of success they want at Tufts.
The summer before my freshman year, I got a phone call from someone that worked at the center, and they kind of were just like, hey, like, this is a space that exists and it kind of aligns with your identities of being first generation and like coming from a low income background, and this is how it might affect your college experience.
So our students wanted a centralized place to connect for community building, action, and support. And we have been lucky enough to have an opportunity to work alongside our students and the administration to find a physical space that we can call home.
Having a space where other people were able to share those experiences or even just validate them was a really important part of me understanding that like these identities have shaped who I am, and that is something that's empowering and not something that's an obstacle.
It made me happy to know that that community that I found here at the First Center is always there for me, even when I'm just like in the middle of the school year doing homework.
So if students need to work and may not have a laptop or just need a place to study, we also have free printing where students can come by, print any of the supplies that they need, in addition to a common area where students can hold meetings, any other organizational needs can happen in our space. Some other resources we offer is the Book It Forward Library, which is a textbook library that we have through donations. So students will donate books that they no longer need, they no longer want, and then we'll sort through them and then offer them to the community at no charge. We also have a Swipe It Forward program, which is dedicated to us doing our best to support food insecurity efforts on campus. We offer some financial supports through stipends and things of that sort, which would allow for our students to be able to have access to resources that are not covered by financial aid. So we work alongside student organizations like United for Immigrant Justice, as well as our First Generation Collective. Under our purview, we also support a summer bridge program called BLAST, which stands for Bridge to Liberal Arts Success at Tufts, where students will come during the summer before their first year to connect to a lot of the great opportunities available to them. So that's taking 2 courses, connecting to campus partners, but ultimately it's about helping them transition to their time at Tufts as smoothly as possible, while also building community that will be able to support them. Another thing we offer is a pre-orientation program called BEAST, which stands for Building Engagement and Access for Students at Tufts. And what we do is offer a lot of the same key elements of transitioning, building community, and connecting to the amazing students who really make our center so great.
The moment I started to accept the fact that there's a group of us that feel the same way, it was the same time I felt so interconnected, as well as I feel like I was finally thriving here at Tufts, because that's what the First Center and the First Community is all about. It's just like accepting who you are and just growing and becoming the best version of you, even though you have all these societal limitations, because at the end of the day, you're a great person, and that's what the First Center has really showed me.
The impact of the COVID-19 pandemic has been a truly difficult one. Unfortunately, we'll not be able to offer a center space for the fall semester. Despite all the changes that are impacting us this semester, we really want to foster the same standard of support, the same standard of connection, and ultimately want you to know that we are here for you, we appreciate you, and we're ready to help in any way that we can.